Let's take a look at Homebrew on Mac. Homebrew is a package manager, which means that you can install software, applications, and manage those on your Mac. So to get started, we go to brew.sh. And when you come here, you'll see this page, and we're going to install Homebrew. So you can click this little icon here, which will copy it into your clipboard. And then we're going to open up Terminal. You can do that by going to your applications, scrolling down to utilities, and then clicking on Terminal. Or another way that you can do that is if you hit Command Space, it'll open up Spotlight. Mine looks a little bit different, but then you can type in Terminal and hit Enter, and that will also open up Terminal. So Terminal is a command line interface. That means that you're interacting with the computer, but instead of using a mouse or a trackpad, you're using text. So we're going to be using this a lot throughout the class, but also when you're using Brew, it's all done through the command line, so in Terminal. So we're going to paste in that command, and it's going to check for sudo access. So you're going to type in your computer password. Note that it won't show up, but that's okay. It is being typed in. So you'll hit Enter, and then it will say, hey, all of this is going to be installed. Hit Enter again, and the installation will start. Now, this could take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause, and when it's done, I'll be right back. So after it's done installing, you should see this section that says Next Steps. You might have to scroll up just a little bit on the output after you finish the installation. So you should copy and paste this first command down to the profile here, starting with echo, and your username will be here, and then copy and paste that and run that command, and then copy and paste this command and run it as well in Terminal. Then you should be able to close Terminal and reopen it, or open up a new tab to make sure that the installation worked correctly. We will need to open up a new tab in Terminal or a new window. So I'm going to hit Command T, open up a new tab, and now if you type in Brew, this should pop up with the example usage, troubleshooting, and these are some of the commands that you can run. So for example, I could run brew list, and that will show me the different applications or software that I already have installed on my Mac. So in order to install everything else that we will in the future, that's how you can get Brew up and running really quickly on your Mac.